To use dynamic lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, long tap on an empty area on your home screen, and then tap wallpaper and style. Tap the lock screen thumbnail. Next, tap wallpapers. Scroll down the screen. Under wallpaper services section, tap dynamic lock screen thumbnail. Select your preferred categories. You can choose up to 5 categories. To see the result, turn on and off the screen repeatedly. As you can see, every time you wake your phone, your lock screen wallpaper will change automatically. Given to the function, dynamic lock screen wallpaper can help you keep your phone fresh with rotating wallpaper that update regularly. With this feature, you can enjoy a new look on your lock screen without having to manually change your wallpaper. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.